What if you can have a brand new skirt in fewer than 60 minutes? Envision it well-tailored and made by you without a single pattern in sight. Today, we are proving that making a skirt in 1 hour is within everyone's reach. This is more than crafting a skirt. It's reclaiming your time, using your creativity, and getting that satisfying fashion fix when you need it. Imagine a new skirt, fitted, ready to wear in less time than it takes to watch your favorite show. You'll need a rectangular fabric. Make sure that it fits around your hips with room to move. Okay, let's talk ease. Your fabric width should be your actual hip measurement plus at least 6 to 10 inches of ease for comfortable movement. If your fabric has ample stretch, you may only need 2 to 4 inches. To figure out the length of your fabric, measure from your natural waist downward to where you want the hem to fall. This could be mini, midi, or maxi, and then add 3 to 4 inches for your waist casing and hem allowance. So what's on our materials checklist? A rectangular fabric. We'll discuss the types in a second. Supplies, 1-inch elastic, matching thread, and your sewing machine. That's it. I use godets in this skirt, and they are an elegant way of adding room to move in your garment. A traditional godet is a circular section of fabric set into a seam or slash to expand the lower edge. Since I was working with leftovers and scraps, I had to make do. So I stitched 4 pieces of fabric together to make a godet and got 28 inches for leg room. Since your skirt is a maxi and the hemline falls below your knees, the logical place to start the godet is behind your knees, but you can go 2 to 3 inches lower if you are short on fabric. Reminder, we are using stretch fabric, so do a fitting before the final hem and waistline. Non-stretch fabrics work without issue, but be sure you can sit without breaking the seam. Okay, so you have your godet, quarter, half, or 1/3 of a circle wide. Whatever measurement you have will work. With right sides together, start sewing from the hemline, stitching the straight edge to the one side of the back seam. Repeat with the other seam, continuing up the back to the waistline. Try it on and sit to see whether you need to make adjustments. If all is well, you are nearing the finish line. I used 1-inch elastic in a fold-down casing for the waistline. Casings are fabric tunnels to thread elastic or a drawstring and are best used on straight edges. The stretchability of your elastic will dictate the length you use, but it should be smaller than your body with about 1/2 inch added for lapping. Hem allowances vary, but on this skirt, you can go up to 1/2 inch. I use the rolled edge hem on the sewing machine. You have choices. They are all on the machine. A straight stitch, double stitch, or a blind stitch. And it's quick work. That's it, your new skirt, done in less time than it takes to watch a movie. Now you can reclaim your wardrobe and your time. Let me know what fabric you used in the comments below and subscribe to All My Ways Andrea for more fast fashion fixes.